Okay, hi everyone. Today we're going to just go over surface area of pyramids. And surface area is generally where you just add up all the areas or all the sides, the areas of all the sides of the pyramid, including the bottom. So we're going to add all the areas and of all the sides of the pyramid and the bottom. Remember, a pyramid generally has some kind of base, and then the triangles kind of meet up to the top. Surface area is measured in square units, just like any other area. So the first one, we're going to look at two pyramids, the square pyramid and a triangular pyramid. The square pyramid, you'll need to get the area of the square, and then you'll need to get the area of each triangle on the sides. Now, because this is a square, all these triangles are going to be exactly the same area. So you'll just need to find the area of one square and one triangle and multiply this area of the triangle 4 times because we need 4 of these. With surface area, the slant length of the pyramid makes a difference. And what I mean by that is if you stand up these triangles to meet at the point here, and the side here of the pyramid, you're going to need that distance from the slant. So from the top of the pyramid, sliding diagonally down to the base. That's the slant length for that pyramid, or that's the length for that pyramid. The base of this pyramid, that's the length of that triangle that goes from the top and follows slightly slanting down to the bottom. That's the length of this triangle, and the base is going to be the same distance as the height or the base or length of this square. So we'll use this square side length as the base of the triangle and the slant length for the length of the triangle to find our area for one of these triangles. In a triangular prism, you'll have 4 triangles. You have to find the area of all these. And again, in our case, the base triangle here is the one in the bottom. We call that a base triangle. In our examples, all the base triangles are equilateral. That means that all these side lengths for the base triangle are going to be the same. But for these other 3 triangles, they will also all have the same base and the same height. So all these 3 triangles will also be the same. So you just find the triangle area for one, and you multiply it by 3, and the base triangle. Again, the slant length for these triangular pyramids is also important. It's going to be different than the length for the base triangle. Let's look at some examples. Let's look at the square pyramid first. So here I have a square pyramid, and this is what we call a net. So it's all spread out. Again, if I take the triangles here, lift them up and lift them up, I'd get my pyramid. But so there's 5 things we need here: 1 square and 4 triangles. We need the area of all of those. Again, all these triangles are the same, so we're going to just need the area of 1 triangle and 1 square. We'll multiply the area of 1 triangle by 4 to get the rest. Here are the squares, a 6 by 6 square. So to find the area of the square is just 6 times 6. For the triangle, the base is 6. The height is going to be 8. So again, for a triangle, the area is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base times height, and then we need 4 of these, so I'm going to multiply whatever the solution is by 4 to get the area of all the triangles. So it's going to be 36. That's my square, 6 times 6. And here, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 8 is 96. So if I add those 2 up, and I get 132 inches squared. That's the surface area for my square pyramid. Here's a triangular pyramid. And what you'll do here is you'll have 4 triangles. Here's the base triangle right here. It's an equilateral triangle, so this is going to be a 6 by 6 by 6, but I still need the length here. So my base is 6, my length here on the base triangle, which is the bottom triangle, is 8. And again, if I lift up these 3 triangles, they'll come out even, they'll come out to meet to a point. So my base triangle is 1/2 base times height, 1/2 6 times 8. And then the rest of the triangles I've got here will be the same area. So I just need to find 1 and multiply it by 3, the area of one triangle. So here's the length of one of the triangles is 10, and the base again is 6. So I'll have 1/2 6 times 10, 1/2 base times height, and I need 3 of those, so I'll multiply that by 3. So 24 comes from this. This is my base triangle, and here we have 1/2 of 6 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 10 is 90. So I add these up, and I get 114 square inches. And that's how you find the surface area of some pyramids.